What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video tonight. So we're going to be working with this awesome menu right here. So it's going to be a hover effect, where there's going to be a couple lines, one coming from the top, coming from left to right, and then one from the bottom from right to left. Okay, it has different colors, which is cool. All right. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to the channel. All right. Yeah, so we can grow slowly but steady. All right, let's start. All right, I got my HTML ready. So let's do the another list. Okay, list item, the a tag. Let's do let's do the attribute, which is going to be href, which is going to be empty. And then let's close the tag right here. Okay, and also right here. And then we have home. Let's copy this, and let's copy two more times. And let's change it right here to about. Next one, we're going to do service. Okay, good job. So we're going to do portfolio. Okay, and then we have contact. All right. Okay, let's save that and see what we have. All right, that's what we have so far. Cool. All right, let's keep on doing it. So we got our style in our HTML right here. We're going to target our body first, and we are going to start with the attribute height. We're going to give it a value of 100 view height. Next one, we have display, we have flex. Next one, we have justify content, which is going to be center right there. Next is going to be align items. Oh yeah, it didn't give me, oh yeah, I didn't put anything here, that's why. Align items, no Vaseline, do we want center? Good job. Then we have font family, and then we want sans serif. Okay, and next one we have the background. We're going to change the background in a little bit. Okay, just keep it, we're going to add a little bit. Okay, all right, so let's see what we have so far. Okay, that's what we wanted. Okay, all right, next one we're going to target we're going to target the ul. So we're going to do a padding, we'll do 0, then we're going to have a margin 0, then we're going to have a display. You got display right there. We're going to do flex, and then we're going to have flex wrap, so it can go to the next line if needs it. Let's save that. Let's see what we have. Okay, that's cool. It's getting there. So next one, we're going to be targeting the list item. Okay, so we want the list style, which is going to be none. So this will make the bullets disappear. Okay, cool, not too bad. So next one, So we're going to be tagging the links list a the a tag. Then we're going to have a text decoration. We're going to have none, so the border line is going to be gone. All right, that's what we want. Okay, next attribute, we got color. So it's going to be white. Let's just change the color right here. So let's just do the background. It's going to be black, and you already know what black is. All right, then let's save it, and that should give us okay, cool, not too bad. All right, let's keep adding more attributes to this one. Font size, we want font size going to be 22 pixels. Then we got display, we got block, then we have padding 10 pixels, 15. Okay, all right. And then we got position relative. Okay, let's save it and see what we have. All right, yeah, that's what we want. All right, next. All right, we're going to be using the pseudo element right here. Okay. All right, so we're going to be doing ul li a column. We're going to be using before. Okay, before right here, and then we're going to use content. It's going to be empty string right here, and then we got position absolute. Okay, then we have top, we want 0, then we want left, we want 0 2. Next one we have width, we want this width to be 100%. Okay, and then we want the height, it's going to be 2 pixels. Okay, and then we have the background. So I got a color right here, save. We're going to use that. Let's see, let's copy right here. Okay, cool. Then we want to do transform. Let's go to scale to x, going to have 0. Okay, next one, the transition, we got all 0.5 seconds. Okay, then we have transform origin, we want from the left. Okay, all right, so it shouldn't show us anything with this yet. Yeah, yep. Okay, let's keep on working here. So let's just do the hover now. ULLI, we got hover. I want to do before. Okay, right here we got transform this is what the magic is going to happen right here. Scale X, we got 1, finish semicolon. Let's save it and see. Okay, all right, that's all we want. And now we want the bottom, right? Let's do the bottom part. All right, so for the bottom part we're going to do the after, so that means we gotta copy this block of code right here, copy, and then let's paste it right here. Let's change it to after, and we're going to change here, going to say the bottom because it's not top anymore. Okay, left is going to be 0, width 100, still the same. Color, yeah, we want a different color right here for the background. Okay, all right, everything right here should be on the transform origin, should be right. Okay, let's save that. And also right in the hover we just have to add it. Okay, so let's just do this, copy that, comma, paste it right here, and let's change here to after, and that should give us that effect right here, the moment of truth. Oh, yep, that's what we wanted. Cool beans. All right, guys, hopefully this video helped you and your journey to become a web dev. You know, just the little things that you do every day, that's going to help you to be stronger in your skills and your ability and to program. All right, guys, so don't forget to like the video and then subscribe to the channel. All right, so see you to the next video. Okay, have a good night.